Hi, my name's Travis Davis. I'm the designated broker and one of the partners here at Coldwell Banker, Tomlinson in Kennewick. I'm here to talk to you today about the importance of the relationship in the overall real estate transaction. As an agent, you look at it from all kinds of perspectives. You look at the seller's perspective, the buyer's perspective, and I feel like it's my job as their agent and my agents here at this company to take the time to get to know the seller, to get to know their story, to get to know how vested they are in their home, the emotional experiences they've had, what's made that home theirs, and to be able to understand that and to understand the needs they have and to get to know their family and what the next step is in their life. As we move through properties, each property represents a chapter in your life. You raise your kids in this house and you're ready to move on to the next. You've got a whole life in that home. And I want to understand that life. I want to understand why, how things were and how you lived in it and who you are as a person. So then when I go to tell the story of the home, I can do that. I can articulate the whole story and say, hey, these people, they enjoyed this home because of this, and these are all the things that brought them pride and joy and all that, and I hope that the next buyer can experience that. And then on the flip side, when I'm looking at with the buyer, what we want to do is develop the relationship with the buyer. I want to know you as a person. You've got reasons for moving, whether it's school district, whether it's job constraints or whatever, and the next house is going to represent you as well. And so the more time I take in getting to know you as a person, the more seamless the transaction goes. I can accomplish your needs from a personal level, and then the transaction just becomes kind of a process that ties into that. The transaction is not the main result, it's you as a person. And that relationship is something that I want to carry with me the rest of my life. So I may sell a house today to you, but we're going to have hopefully a friendship and a relationship forever.